Hey guys, so today I am obviously back home right now. My athletes are all on winter break, so I got to come home for Christmas in a few weeks. So I haven't been able to film because all my makeup is at my apartment, but I did get some things for Christmas that I'm going to show to you guys today. I'm only going to show like beauty related products. I also got like an athletic training kit for my job and some other like little things. I got some clothes, like things like that, and I got some Christmas money actually from my grandparents, so I bought a camera. So this will be probably the last video I film on my phone as long as I can figure out my camera. It's not anything like expensive or anything. I think I spent like 150 bucks on it, so we'll see if it's anything good. I think it'll at least be nice to have something to start out with. So I'm just gonna be diving into this Lululemon bag because I got a nice pair of Lulu leggings. Obsessed with them. This is my second pair. They're amazing. Expensive, but amazing. Also, a lot of this stuff, like some of the stuff my mom bought for me, some of it was actually just Boxycharms, like I think 2 Boxycharms my dad wrapped up and put under the tree, which they paid for it anyways, so I got those. And then I also got like 2 influencer packages, so it's a mixture of a few things my mom bought me, Boxycharm and influencer. Alright, let's get into it. So first let's start off with this because I'm wearing this on my eyes today. Sorry it's a little dark in here. It is later than I expected and it's pretty cloudy out today. But first up, this is the Neon Huda Beauty, and this is the pink one. And these are stunning. There's that up close. These shimmers are gorgeous. They're all dual chromes, and they're just so pretty. Right now I have on, what do I have on? I put a lot of these on. I think I have some of this one. They don't have names. This one, I think a little bit of the hot pink, this purple one, and this purple one, and then I have this one across my lid. And then I also have the darker purple, this one, on my lower lash line. I don't know if you can really tell because it's dark in here, but it's so pretty. Today's New Year's Eve, so I figured I'd go a little bit crazy. I've been doing just neutral looks or not even wearing any makeup because I never give myself enough time in the morning. But anyways, this is the first thing and I'm very excited. And then also to go along with this was the green neon palette from Huda Beauty, and I think I might even like this one better just because it's a little bit more wearable for every day. Obviously not really the greens, but this peachy color I really like. I did start out with that one today. I wore that as like after I set my lid, I used this as a transition before I went in with the other pinks and purples. I wore this Christmas Day actually. I just did this color and then I did this one all over crease lid. Today I put a little bit of this white in my inner corner, and these all have a reflect of green to them. Let me do a few swatches. The matte shades are all, they come off exactly how they look in the pan, so I'm not going to swatch those, but I will swatch the glitters. These are all so pretty. So here's the pink palette glitters, and this is the one that I have on today. And they're just so reflective, and they're just really nice toppers, and you can build them up. This is just one swatch. And then for the green palette, I'll do on the other hand, I guess. There's more shimmers in this one. My hands are really dry too, so they're not going on as smooth as I would like. The formula of these Huda palettes are crazy good. I think these are my first Huda Beauty eyeshadows, and I really like them. Alright, here are the shimmers in the green palette. You have a nice like yellow gold, like chartreuse color. This one is more of a pink, and then there's a little bit of green reflex, not too much. This one is more of an amber color. This one is the white one, and it's like white and with like yellow, green reflex, and green glitters. And this one is more like one of those duochrome brown blue shades, but then there is also like that bluish green tint. And then this is the one I wore Christmas Day, which is like the base is pink, and then there's yellow and green glitters. And the reflex actually show up really well, because it did almost look like I had green eyeshadow on Christmas Day, but it was this pink with the green glitter. And it looked really pretty, and it was super simple. So there is that. I think those are the two I'm most excited about. But yeah, all right. Let's just keep jumping in. The rest should be a lot quicker. The next palette is from Storybook Cosmetics. This is the Fairy Tale palette in Robin Hood. This came in a Boxycharm. And here's this, super cute. Some darker colors. This isn't as much of an everyday palette for me. I'd use probably like this every day. I could get away with that and a little bit of that. But yeah, this is nice. I don't think I really have many greens. But yeah, there is that palette. And these are also great quality. I'll swatch the gold color. My hand's a little bit wet, but that's okay. There's that. Beautiful. I'm trying to go somewhat quick because my phone, I think, is at 10%. Let's see. Oh, in one of the Boxycharms, they just sent over a sample of the Pretty Vulgar concealer, and then you can tell them what shade worked best for you. That way they can know better about your skin tone. I also got Juice Beauty Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. This was in a Boxycharm. I think I might just give this to my mom, honestly, because I think she would really like that. We also got Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask, and I think this was in an influenster. A lot of this was in an influencer. Haven't tried anything else. The only thing I've tried is the neon palettes from Huda. This is the Aesthetica Pro Series Brush Cleaner, and this was in a Boxycharm. I thought this was definitely really cool to get in a Boxycharm because you don't see anything like this really, and it is something that you need. Let's see, there was a Becca set. Let's grab that. My mom also got me this little Becca set, and it came with the Becca First Light Priming Filter, which is nice. You can always go through these. It also came with the Becca Hydra Mist Setting and Refresh Powder, just a mini one. I do have the full sizes of this, but I can easily go through that. And then there is also a mini of Champagne Pop, which I do already have Champagne Pop, but that's fine. I might give it to my mom. I don't know yet. I should, because whatever. Anyways, next, I think this was either a Boxycharm or influencer. Sorry about that. My phone just went off. I don't remember where I left off, but I was talking about this. This is the Alamis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. This is nice. This retails for like almost 80 bucks, I think. So that will be fun to try out. I got another eyeshadow palette, and this was from a Boxycharm. This is the Celestial Thunder palette from Dominique Cosmetics. And that is what that looks like. It's really pretty. I really like this color. I think it's the it's kind of more of a glitter, and then these two also have shimmer. I think it's nice. I don't think I'd ever really get a look out of this palette besides maybe like one of the colors paired with this shimmer. But other than that, it will be nice to reach for. Let me swatch the first shade. There's that. That one is really pretty. glitter everywhere. Alright, what do we have next? Just gonna grab a handful. We got, I think this came in the Sephora order that my mom got, sample of a Laura Mercier mascara. Might have been in the influencer, I'm not sure. From Boxycharm, we got Dose of Colors Liquid Lipstick in Nude Mood. And this is a really pretty nude color. I'll definitely get some use out of that. I'll wipe that off before it dries on me. We also got, let's see, this was from an influencer, the Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. Super excited to try that, and that also came with the primer, the photo finish primer. A million of these, but I do really like it, so I'm okay with that. This also came with the Sephora order, I believe. It's just the Sephora Tinted and Cooling Eye Primer in the color Shimmer Nude. And this is just an eye base, and it is pretty. We got the Coola Mineral Sunscreen and Unscented Matte Tint Mineral BB Cream. There's a lot of words on there. Just a BB cream with sunscreen. Definitely use that guy up. I got an eyeliner set from Kaja, and this is the eyeliner pen, just a regular felt tip pen. I'll put it on my forehead. There's a lot of space there. Felt tip pen, and then this is the wing stamper. So it comes with a left side and a right side, and you're supposed to be able to easily add a wing. So that'll be interesting. I don't honestly know if I will use that, but maybe we'll try it. I feel like it's more complicated than just drawing a wing, but we'll try it. We also got from Benefit the Brow Styler. So this one comes with a powder on one end and pencil on the other end. And this is like the triangle, almost like a triangle. It's a straight point, but it's wide. And this color is perfect. Shade 2. A couple more things. We got from Boxycharm influencer, I'm not sure, the Brow Bar True Glam Brow Makeover Kit. So this comes with a brow gel, a little brow brush, and then a cream, and then 2 different eyebrow shades. So that will be fun. That'll be perfect to travel with. And then lastly, we got the Ciate London Marble Light Halo Blush. And that is what this looks like. I actually did wear this one too on Christmas. And it is just a nice matte rose. You're not even going to be able to tell because it is very light. But it gives off a nice flush to your skin. That is everything I got for makeup. Let me grab this. This is right here. My mom got me a Smart Gear wireless charging power bank. I haven't tried this yet, but I believe that you can like plug it into the wall and use it as just a wireless charger, or you can charge it and bring it with you. So that will be cool. And I think that's everything that is in my reach. I bought myself, with my Christmas money, I bought a camera, like I said, and then I also bought like a board game, random little things like that. Some clothes. Yeah. Alright. That is everything I have for you today. Not entirely sure what else I can film at home because all of my makeup is at home. If you have any suggestion, or all my makeup is at school. if you have any, I would like to film when I get back a update for my panels eyeshadows because I already have progress on that. I'm going to film a new project pan, a new shop my stash, and I think I want to do all of the products I've hit pan on, an update on that video. Those are the ones that are floating in my mind because those are just update videos. But if you guys have any suggestions, definitely leave them down below. I'm home for another week or two before I go back, so I would like to be able to film, especially once my new camera comes in a few days. So yeah, leave your suggestions down below. Alright, I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.